In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a mono audio track in DaVinci Resolve. If you need to work with a single channel audio source like a microphone recording or certain voiceover clips, adding a mono track is a simple but important step. Setting up the correct track type helps keep your audio organized and make sure your sound behaves the way you expect inside your project. To begin, go to the audio tracks in your timeline. This is the area where all of your sound layers are displayed, such as music, dialogue, sound effects, and any other audio elements you've added to your edit. Before making changes, it helps to identify the section where you want your new track to appear, especially if you're working on a more complex timeline with multiple existing tracks. Once you're in the audio track area, right-click on one of the audio tracks. This opens a menu with several track-related options. The reason you want to right-click directly on a track is because DaVinci Resolve keeps track controls and track creation tools in this contextual menu, so it's the quickest way to access what you need. After the menu appears, hover your cursor over the option labeled Add Track. This will expand another menu and show you the different kinds of tracks you can create. DaVinci Resolve lets you choose between different audio configurations, and selecting the correct one matters depending on the type of audio you'll be placing there. From that expanded menu, select Mono. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will add a new mono audio track to your timeline. You can now use that track for mono recordings, such as spoken dialogue, voiceovers, or any clip that only needs a single audio channel. A helpful tip here is to name or organize your tracks clearly if your project includes lots of audio. Even though adding the track only takes a few seconds, keeping your timeline tidy can save a lot of time later when you're mixing or making adjustments. And that's it. That's how to add a mono audio track in DaVinci Resolve. It's a quick process. Go to your audio tracks, right-click on a track, hover over Add Track, and choose Mono. Once you know where that option lives, you can add the exact type of audio track you need whenever your project calls for it.